Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we are going to be talking about a beautiful, beautiful screener or how to find stocks before they break out, before they skyrocket, before they explode. On Finviz, what you want to do is go on finviz.com, then go on screener, and just keep in mind that throughout everything that I show you on this video, I will be explaining you what am I showing to you guys. I mean, of course, I will not be kind of a bad guy, if I want to call it, to not show you anything, and I'm just gonna go through the filters and you can go ahead and screenshot, and I'm gonna be explaining you everything. So if you're interested about how to find stocks before they break out, and you can basically like capitalize on that, make money out of that, make sure to stick to right on the end and let's just get straight into it. You feel me? So overall, we're going to be filling three filters, only three filters. You could be like, wow, only three filters? Yeah. So what do we want to fill will be the quick ratio. What does the quick ratio mean? Quick ratio, as you can see, we can go ahead and kind of view it. This picture will explain it like beautifully. Quick ratio is equivalent to the cash plus accounts like receivable slash divided by the current liability. So our account receivable plus cash equivalents plus cash divided by the accruals plus accounts payable and notes payable. You feel me? So, or like you can basically go with the mouse over the thing and you will say that MRQ is an indicator of a company's short-term liquidity. The quick ratio measures a company's ability to meet its short-term obligations with its most liquid assets. The higher the quick ratio, the better the position of the company is. Calculated as a current assets minus the inventors divided by the current liabilities. So what do we want for it to be? Over one for sure. It will be over one. You can basically go with over 0.5, but we will go with over one. That's what kind of stocks we want, and we're left with 3,000. So yeah, a lot of these stocks are. I mean, as you can see, it says that so the higher the quick ratio, the better the position of the company is. So we want it for the over one. We can go over 1.5. You can go ahead and kind of scroll through them. I mean, you can basically go over 10. I mean, you can see we're left with 496 stocks. But then after that, we're just gonna go and click it over one. Then from here on, what do we want to fill will be the float short. Okay, the float short. So as I said, the float short. What do we want? What does the float short even mean, bro? So float short is the amount of short selling transactions of a given stock. Float short. We want it to be higher than 20%. Okay, higher than 20%. Like you right now, you could be like, oh my, like what the hell are you even talking about, bro? We want it to be higher than 20% or just high. We're gonna be left with only 70 stocks. So these stocks are shorted. Okay, they are shorted by the hedges. And I mean, you know how they squeeze. I mean, how the squeeze happens. They're being shorted, shorted, shorted. And if we hold, we can just hold the stocks, and you can basically go to the moon. No, I'm just kidding. It is not as easy as that. But after that, what we want to fill out will be the insider ownership. Okay, insider ownership. What do we want to have right here? What does the insider ownership mean? Insider ownership is a level of which a company is owned by its own management. We want it to be very positive, very, very positive. Okay. No, is it? No, no, no. Oh my god, excuse me, guys. It's insider transactions. Yeah, for insider transactions, we really want it to be very, like very positive, not insider ownership. But what does that mean? What does the insider transactions means? It says a company's shares purchased or sold by its own management value represents 6 months percentual change in a total insider ownership bigger than 20%. We are only going to be left with only two stocks that are meeting our criteria. Keep that in mind. This does look promising, this CRCT. So you can basically go try it out. We did kind of fail to break through the highs. But right now I think that it is kind of retesting, and after that we can surely continue to push to the upside. That is just my opinion on that. I mean, that's about it for today's video. You can go ahead and kind of screenshot this, snapshot that, and that will be about it for today. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys. Bye.